we wanted to give the Defenders a big heavy-duty look, so we got these big bumpers from Can-Am. Come with all the hardware to mount them up. This is going to give Lynn and I a big sturdy bumper to push over trees, cameramen, you know, whatever we need to. In addition to the front bumper, we also got a heavy-duty rear bumper for this thing. And also with that, we're going to mount up these rear sliders right here. And what that is good for is when you get in tight spots on the trail, you can rub right up against a tree with that, and it's not going to crush your plastic or anything like that. And the Defender has only been out for a few months now, so we had a hard time finding a lift kit from anybody. They just haven't been made yet, but we did find one from Super ATV. And what basically these are just shock spacers like you would on a truck leveling kit or something. They go inside the shock. So we're gonna have to actually take apart the shock, put these in. Looks like everything's here, for Lynn's bike at least, so let's get started. Front bumper install. Yeah, Laramie, quit! Turn them off. All right, we got that on, and that bumper looks pretty good. But these are gonna give it a much more massive look. Should have put these on before we put that one on. That's okay. I like to make things harder on myself. So you remember how I threw those directions away? Maybe I should have looked at them. I got the order wrong. I should have put these on before I put the bumper on, but I'm not going to be able to get them as tight, but it's Lynn's machine, so there it is. That gives it a good beefy look. Man, that thing looks like a truck. That's awesome. We push cows over with that thing.